Yeah. Okay. So what is your expectation for tomorrow on the Nifty chart? Anybody having clues? I will tell you. So actually we are in the weekly demand zone. Okay, we are in the weekly demand zone, but it is reacted from the weekly demand zone. But when we see in the daily demand zone, there is a supply zone. So and market came into this supply zone. So we need to wait and watch. Instead of taking selling position, just wait and watch, because the market will go little bit down and then it will go upside. So be careful on buying or selling side. So this is my observation in Nifty. See, yesterday we already decided like this. So if it is see, actually today very good bullish candle is formed, but this candle is right now in the supply zone. So that is the reason we have to wait for the breakout above the zone or reversal for this zone. But the reversal will fall till very small only, not very good fall will happen. So be a buyer. So this will become a small dip you can accumulate, and we can market going to create a new high, then we can exit. So this is my observation in Nifty chart. And Bank Nifty, there is no clear levels observed. So right now, Bank Nifty also at the supply zone only. So if candle is closed above this zone, then only go for the buy. Otherwise, wait for. Don't lose the money. Just wait for the trade, because this is a supply zone. Drop based drop, a supply zone, and here also a small rally based drop, and it is reacted also. But again, it is came to the same zone. So instead of taking the long position or short position, just wait and watch. Not doing trading also a profitable. Instead of losing money, we can just wait and watch. And if it is happened, no, means suppose tomorrow candle is closed above this, then we can expect a good bullish movement. Why? Because I will say here. Why? Because this is a left shoulder head. This is a right shoulder. Okay, so we can expect a very good movement towards the upside if it is broken this level. We can draw like this. So if candle is closed above this, then we can expect a good movement towards the upside. So in Bank Nifty, just wait and watch. Don't take any kind of trade. In Nifty, for intraday, you can go for short, but in the longer time frame, it is having a very good demand zone. So try to be uh, try to book your profits as soon as possible. If you got 10 points, exit, and 10 points, exit, like that. You know your risk management, so be keep in that mind and do trading. Okay, tomorrow don't be on the long side. Try to avoid, because the candle should close, or it may react from the supply zone. So just watch or take the put options only. Okay, any other stocks do you want to analyze? So actually HCL Tech we already
Very in short, please elaborate this drop based rally and rally based drop. Demand zone, supply zone.
see, simple sir. Drop based drop means when price comes to this level, market will get reaction on that zone. See, this is a drop based drop now. Drop based drop. Simply
Drop based drop.
drop means red candle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, base means doji kind of candles
Mm-hmm.
or indecisive candle.
Hmm.
Rally means green candle. That's it. We have only two candles. I don't know anything about morning star, evening star, dragonfly, doji, those kind, gravestone doji, those spinning top. I know everything, but I don't use anything. Only I will use drop based drop, rally based rally. That's it. Demand zone, demand zone will ends with the rally candle. Supply zone will ends with the drop candle. That's it. Indecisive zone will be in the color of blue candle. That's it. Nothing. I don't go more in detail about this because it will take more time. But in briefly, okay, in briefly, we can say demand zone will ends with the rally candle. Supply zone will ends with the drop candle. Indecisive will be in the color of blue. Any doubts?
So you are watching it on TradingView, sir.
Yes, I am watching in the TradingView.
So means blue candle. There are only red and green candles. Blue candle.
Blue candle, we can. I will share the code if you want. You can use it. This is the code I am putting in the chat box. I'm putting in the chat box. You can copy paste it. How do you copy paste? Click on the Pine editor.
Mm-hmm.
Click new. Copy paste and save it. When you click on the save button, it will ask the title. So what is the script title? You can enter base candle and save it. Then you can click on the add to chart. Then this will be added to your chart.
So every doji candle will be a blue candle.
Every doji candle will be a yes.
Yenappa?
So how the indecisive candle is defined? If suppose body is less than 50%, it is a indecisive candle. Body greater than 50%, it is a either
Normal
based on the it's a normal candle based on the rally or drop. Like if it is a bullish candle, we can say rally. If it is a bearish candle, we can say drop. That's it. Sorry, I'm hearing your voice in low.
Yeah, no, I'm saying not every candle is important, right?
Every candle?
Well,
Every 50% candle is important, no?
not
yeah.
audible, sir.
Not audible. It's very low voice.
I don't know what is happening. Okay, let me find out.
You're Ramesh, right? Ramesh.
No, I'm
No,
Swapnil.
I am
Okay,
Ramesh.
am I?
Yeah. Right now I can hear you.
Okay. Yeah. What I was saying is not every 50% candle is important, right? We need to identify and judge based on the leg out, right?
Yeah. Based on the I said that only. See, drop base is very important because every zone will be a combination of either drop base, rally or drop base, drop, whatever it is. A zone is a combination of uh, drop base, drop, drop base rally, rally base drop, rally base rally. These are only four kind of patterns. Only four kind of patterns.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Nothing else. The
That's it.
probability.
Exactly.
Okay. So I can say I'm having very good knowledge in the demand and supply zone. I can proudly say I have very good knowledge and I'm having confident of 70% which zone will work, which zone will not work.
Oh, wow.
So the drop base drop will be drop base drop will be supply zone.
Drop based drop will be, see, I said na, supply zone will ends with the drop candle. So if you find any zone which is ending with the drop candle, then you can say it is a supply zone. See, this is a supply zone, right? It is ending with the red candle. It is a supply zone.
Right.
See, rally base
Mm.
rally. It is ending with the green color candle. So you can say this is a demand zone. Okay,
Mm.
rally base rally, demand zone. Drop base rally, demand zone. Okay, so
And where is
drop
drop
based
based drop?
every drop based drop will not work. 100% every drop based drop will not work without knowing the there are actually power patterns. So if we know power patterns, then we can combine this concept, you can get knowledge. So which zone will work, which zone will not work. See, in Nifty, I'm saying confidently this zone will work because it is a supply zone which is having a good probability. So winning probability, I'm saying with my experience. So this zone is having very good probability. Okay. Any doubts related to this concept, like a drop based drop rally,
Please,
rally based drop?
sir, on the chart, please give one each example of drop based drop,
No,
rally based rally.
this is one example, no? Drop based drop, it is in front of you, right? Drop based drop.
Drop based drop means it is a supply zone.
Yes, it is a supply zone. So right now market is in the supply zone. So market may react towards downside if it is closed. Okay, I am saying if it is closed, then only this zone we can say like violated. Otherwise, if candle is not closed, just touch and come, then we can't say it is a violated. It's a fake out.
And rally based drop example.
Rally based drop. This is sorry. This is a rally base drop, right? Rally base drop.
Drop.
Drop
So this
base
is
drop.
also
Drop base drop. Drop base rally. Okay. Drop base rally.
rally. Yeah. So drop based rally
Rally
in
base
after
drop.
this drop based rally in previous example drop based rally, if it closes above the green candle, then we should enter in buy.
Here, you're saying?
No, this red candle, blue candle, and green candle, just previous example.
This one, huh?
No.
This one, huh?
20th, yeah.
Okay.
20th December. 20 December.
20 December. 20, yeah, okay. So this is a drop base rally.
Means this is demand zone.
Yeah, this is demand zone. That's the reason market is reacting from this demand zone. Market came into the zone and it is reacting.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is the reason. Okay. Now actually we discussed about the HCL tech stock, right? So today I made money good. Today it moved 2 nearly 3%. So as per I told na, see, as per double top it will go downside, but I said there is a resistances. These resistances became support. That is the reason. So market respected that zone and it is turned towards the upside. So if tomorrow candle is closed above this zone, then wait for retracement, or you can buy at the current market price also. We can expect a movement towards like this. Okay, so wait for the buying opportunity.
So today it remained in supply zone only.
Today it is remained in the supply zone, but I am saying no, there is already support became, see, resistance became support now. So price touched that support and it is reacting. It's a small supply zone. Okay, and it may be taken out. If you want to be a confirmation trader, then if candle is closed above it, then you can take it.
Okay, means above more than 1140.
Yeah.
And then stop loss would be 1090.
If candle is closed above this one, then I will update the stop loss tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So next, any stocks? SBI Bank, SBIN. SBI Bank. Bank Nifty came to the selling area, na? So it is also reacting. So either, see, we have to wait for this. There is a resistance. Rally based drop. So if the candle should close above this zone, then only we can go for the buy. Okay, please wait for some time, and then only go for the buy.
Sir, yesterday we watched Cipla. So
Yeah.
so it went up to 958. Then again it came to 946.
Yeah. Yesterday I drawn like this now. So candle is closed above this one, and there is a resistance exactly 957. Yesterday we noted down this resistance. So it is respected. So it is coming towards downside for retracement. Then it will go upside. It is coming for retracement. It is coming for retracement. Okay. After it came retracement. Okay, after retracement is completed, you can find a good bullish candle. Okay, if you find good bullish candle, then you can go for the buy on the next day.
Manisha, there's
Yes,
also
sir.
this supply zone. There's also supply zone, no, on the left shoulder. It's a big
Here,
supply zone, right?
you are saying this
Yeah.
one, right? Yeah,
Yes, yes.
this is absolutely supply zone, but
Big
this,
one, right?
this is supply zone. So that is the reason market is reacting, and there is a breakout for the double bottom now. So it will come down and then it will go up.
Okay, because I think it's already respected once at the neckline.
Yes, it is respected here. It is respected here, and it is respecting second time. Then third time
it will go up.
It will go up. Or if it is reacted, then a small kind of consolidation will happen. Then only it will go upside.
So means generally after third time, if it touches third time, then it will go up.
Yes, exactly. But whatever the reason, it will go up only.
Sir, how can we decide that this is going for retracement or it may not go down further?
It's chart reading, na? It is saying it is a supply zone. Okay, one time respected, and there is a trend line breakout. Okay, so after trend line breakout, there is a nearest supply zone, so it will take some retracement towards the trend line support. Okay, after taking the trend line support, it will go upside. It's just a common knowledge about the chart reading. So that is the reason. We can already seen so many materials about this, how the double bottom will work, how the trend line will work. So trend line will work. Okay, it can
Actually,
be
sir,
told.
I missed the chart reading class. Actually, I was in office that time. That's why.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Chart reading means it's already you are aware about these kind of
I am
trend lines.
aware,
Sudden
but
shift.
if I would have attended the chart reading class,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
it would have been better for me.
Oh, no problem. You can ask me doubts. I will clarify. No problem.
Okay,
I
sir.
am ready to help you. I don't want any money. I just wanted to improve your knowledge, and with your questions, I can also get some kind of knowledge. I will do research and I will explain in the next class, next meeting.
So, have you got any recording of that chart reading class day before yesterday?
No, I don't have recording because I don't have space in my system.
Okay, okay, sir.
See the space. See 798 MB. There is no space. Everything is red.
Mm.
Okay. Next, any stock suggestions you want to know?
IRCTC.
IRCTC. IRCTC today I exited because I found there is some glitch in the chart. So just I exited. So it is happening consolidation. It is happening consolidation, and you can see there is a small supply zone. It is reacted from that supply zone. Okay, so today I exited on this exactly. So I made a profit. I'm sorry, I saved my money instead of staying with the. Oh, sorry, so much nice. Instead of staying with the stock, I exited from the stock. And I also exited from the KPIT Technologies today. KPIT Technologies. After my exit, it fallen badly. Exited exactly at 9:33. After that, it started falling. Only single direction. 9:33. Maybe like this. Here itself. So I exited here only. So after that, it is came down, and I am having large quantity now. So that's the reason I can saved so much money. So I'm going for the next stock, that is Jensen
Manisha,
Technology.
Manisha, one more point in this KPI technology. Can I interrupt you, please?
Yeah, please, you can ask, sir.
Okay.
And it's a good
Yeah,
buying
so-
opportunity. Don't.
So now in KPI, I mean the previous chart, was it 1 hour or 4 hours?
Which one, sir? Previous chart. Previous chart is
Yeah.
1 hour chart, sir.
KPI. Yeah.
KPIT.
So if you go to see, this is already like a descending triangle pattern, right?
Descending triangle
Descending
pattern.
Yeah. So
You
is
mean
it-
to
is it
say
going to
this
work?
one? This one, right?
Yes,
You mean to say?
yes, and the support at the bottom, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
maybe
This is
we can get descending. Yeah,
Thi-
almost if you.
this is perfect descending pattern. Don't worry. This
Yeah.
is
So we
absolute
can.
descending pattern only. No worry.
Yeah.
Descending. So I'm expecting some correction on this stock, and in a higher time frame there is a demand zone. So I will redeploy my amount once it came to the demand zone.
So here the demand zone will be around what, 400 something?
No,
450.
actually, I'm expecting this will become a demand zone.
That one, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, got it. About so 560.
560. I'm expecting this is a demand zone. So once price came to this zone, I will go for the buy.
Okay, 560 on that one.
Yeah.
So stop loss of like 510 something.
Yes, because it is rallied too much, so it will come down very sharply.
That's right. Yeah. So from 350 it shot up.
Actually, in 350 we have already demand zone. See here in 1 hour time frame we found that demand zone. So I entered exactly there. This is the demand zone. I entered exactly. No, this is not this one. Lower time frame. See, this is the demand zone. Exactly, I entered Okay, and I made my money double.
Wow.
351 within sharp November na. So I entered at nearly November ending time. I entered November ending time. Then I made profit. Today I exited. Today I exited all the stocks. I don't have any one share also with KPIT Technologies, and the company announced very good results, even though it is falling. Because chart reading is saying it will fall. I don't go bother about good results or bad results. Chart is saying it will fall.
Chart is saying, yeah.
That's it.
Because this one, yeah, Manisha, I think this one was told by Ravi sir, no? Because when he said like when the results are going to be positive, the company already know it.
Yes, yes.
I mean the market, the big institution, they already know it. Like, okay, company is going to
Announce good results.
yeah.
So when
Yeah.
good results are announced, if it is rallied, you
They-
can exit, because retailers will
Exit it,
come
no?
to take the fresh entry. So
Take the
as a
fresh, yeah,
wholesale,
that's right.
yes, exactly. Your
Oh.
saying is correct.
Yeah, no, okay, yeah. But that's what he said. That's what I believe.
Yeah. You're correct. You're following and you are remembered that one. Great.
Yeah, of course, because I have lost some money in that side. I don't want to lose anything.
Oh, nice. Then if you want to buy, I exited KPIT. Whatever the profit I made, I am putting into Bsoft. Birla
Yeah.
Software, because Birla Software fallen badly. It is giving discount, so I am going for this. Why? Because this is a long rally. Simple, na? Rally. So I am entering into Birla Soft. That is in weekly time frame, and here is also a kind of resistances became support, and it is reacted. So after the green candle, yesterday I seen the green candle, today I entered into the Bsoft. So what is my stop loss? My stop loss, if the candle is closed below this level 430, I will exit. That's it. If that means 40 rupees I am putting my risk, and what I am expecting, my reward will be 600 rupees. 550 is the first target for me. 550 is the first target for me, and I am putting stop loss 431. And if candle is closed below that, then only I will exit. Otherwise, I won't exit in Birlasoft. So whatever the profit I made, I kept in the Birlasoft today, and whatever the investment I kept on KPIT, same investment I taken out, and I am moving that money to Gensar Technologies. This company,
Yeah, Genza went up today, no, 5% because of the
yes,
drone news.
yeah, whatever it is.
Yes. Yeah.
My chart is saying it is fallen badly, buy it. So I am buying.
Okay, yeah. Because I just follow the news today.
Oh, why? Because I am buying. See, here is a support. Okay. So at the support, I saw a good weak rejection. I waited for 3 days, and I saw it is moving towards the upside. I bought, and my stop loss is 380. Stop loss is 380. I entered on this stock. And if you want to know more entries of mine, just wait. Actually, I'm interested to post my levels, but what happened? So I know my risk management. I don't know your risk management. If I give the stock, so I don't know how much weightage you will give. Means how much money management, how much money you are going to deploy. That is the reason, because I'm having good knowledge on money management, and I know for small cap how much investment I need to keep, and for mid cap how much I need to keep, and as per the chart movement also how much percentage of money we can deploy. This kind of knowledge will come with the experience only.
Right. Manisha, but again, the thing is, if you start posting the levels, if people make money, they'll not say anything. But if they lose, then they'll start blaming you for
Yeah,
the
yeah.
stop
That
loss
is
and
the
all.
reason. Instead of posting the levels, I am
Exactly.
helping you. See, today my entries,
Exactly. Yeah.
I am saying, proudly saying I entered into Jansar,
Mhm,
BSOF,
mhm. Okay.
Finolex
All,
5,
all tech companies. All tech companies. Okay.
FinPipe, Tanla,
Mhm. Tana
HCL Tech,
Solutions.
HCL Tech. HCL
Okay.
Technologies, as of now, I am in the profit of 5.2%. So once it is
Wow.
reached to 40%, then I will exit.
Oh, wow. That's nice. 40%. Huh?
Only 40% is enough. I am not expecting more.
40 is too much. Bank FD is giving 4.5, 3.5, 5% at the max.
Yeah, but HCL
Oh,
Tech
oh
chart
yeah.
is saying I am going to give you 40%. Do you interested or not? It is said
In, in
like
a,
that. I
is it
bought.
is it in a month? Is it in a month or what?
I don't know. My target is
Uh-huh.
40%. I don't know. It may reach in next 2 month or in the year end also.
I wish it
If
was
it
my
is.
SCL Tech Bank.
Hmm. So
Wow.
this is
Okay.
40% target. When it is reached, I already kept GTD order. So no need to worry.
Okay.
Once it reached, if right now I am in the profit of 5 point X percentage, na? So the
Mhm.
remaining is only just 34%. So
Mhm.
And
Wow.
we are
sir,
already reaching. Hmm.
what is logic behind FinPipe, sir? FinPipe.
FinPipe, I am going to say now. So much background noise is coming. I don't know from where. I muted that one. Shweta Galaxy. Okay. FinPipe, huh? I will say. Actually, oh, background noise is coming. So I waited.
Sir, mute everyone.
Okay. So who wants to speak? Just unmute it. Oh, someone is drawing. Okay. Actually, I found there is just some kind of formation. So that is the reason I took the entry. So if it is formed, my expectation is this is a left shoulder and this is a head, and it is going for the retracement to create the right shoulder. If it is created right shoulder peak point and then one red candle is formed, then I will exit. This is only simple reason. Here is the support line. Simple reason I bought this one for this. Very simple reason. And I saw a very good fall on this stock, and it is a demand zone. I bought this stock.
Support this support region. How much? What is the time frame for 1 day?
This is FinPipe. I am seeing right now in the 1 day time frame. So I am going to hold this stock for next 5 months. There is other logic also, but I don't know how can you understand that. It's a kind of wedgie pattern. It's a kind of wedgie pattern. So I'm saying briefly. So this is one kind of wolf wave. This is one kind of wolf wave. So I took the support here. I saw the reaction and I took the entry on this stock, Finolex pipe. And another stock is Praj Industries. I took this stock. Why? Because it's already taken out the resistance. Okay. It gave a breakout and it sustained above the top side consolidation. So because of that reason, I took this stock. After taking this stock, right now it is in the small loss. No worries. I'm expecting it will go because it is a it done breakout and it made consolidation and it turned to the upside with the bullish candle. So if candle is closed below this zone, then I will exit. Otherwise, I will keep on trailing for the profit on this stock. So meeting going to end within 2 minutes. So try to ask your questions as much as you can. What about ITC? See, in today budget meeting, there is no discussion happened about ITC. See, if there is no discussion, it will go upside only. Why? Because market waited for the update. So is there any information related to tobacco or not? So ITC demerger related news, ITC related hotels or FMCG. So this kind of information discussion not happened in the budget. So market waited for the budget, and today there is no discussion happened on this kind of business, means cigarette, mainly cigarette business, tobacco, no? So there is no discussion happened. That is the reason market expected it is a positive news for the ITC, and this is already told on the Sunday itself. See, already it is trying to break out this triangle. So if trend line, if trend line is broken, then the next stop is 263 rupees only. It's a express. I'm expecting a very good movement on this stock till 263 rupees. After that, I don't know how much speed it will go. It may down or it may go upside. But my target for next year, within 3 years, I'm expecting the stock will reach towards 800 levels. So tomorrow, tomorrow, day after tomorrow is the earnings. So try to buy after the earning announced.
Hello,
Because
Manisha.
yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, see, I know it's only 1 minute left, but see, I just want to thank you from my side for spending your time and like sharing your knowledge, because there are not many people who share their own knowledge. So I really appreciate it, and may God bless you for sharing your knowledge. So at least people like us can learn from your
Thank you.
experience and thoughts that you have. So God bless you.
Every day I'm going to conduct a session